Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can create Uber driver account. So let's dive in. So first you have to head over to your app store and you have to search for Uber driver and download this app over here that says Uber driver. And now once the app is downloaded, just open the app and here you have to enter your phone number or your email. Or you can continue with Apple, or you can continue with Google, or you can find your account if you already have one. Now I'm going to enter my email account, and once done, click continue, and then it's going to send a 4-digit code to your email and you have to put it in over here. And then you have to enter your phone number over here. You can choose your country code by clicking over here and you can choose your country, and then you have to enter your phone number in this box. Once done, click next over here and then you have to enter your name and your surname. Then click next again and then you have to accept Uber's terms and review privacy notice, and you have to click I agree and then click next. And then you can create a passkey if you want and click create passkey, or you can click not now. And then you have to enable the notifications over here and click allow. And now you can see you can earn with Uber. You can decide when, where, and how you want to earn. You would have to choose where would you like to earn, and you can also add a referral code that's optional. Then click next, and then you can proceed with your Uber driver account, and that's how you create your Uber driver account.